The content creation landscape has changed forever. Not long ago, crafting a single blog post could take an entire workday. Now, with the rise of AI, that same first draft can be generated in just 8 minutes. But here's the real secret. Making money with AI isn't just about speed. It's about how you leverage that speed to build something scalable and profitable. In this video, we'll explore the 3 main paths to monetize AI content, the best tools to use, and why your unique human touch is more important than ever. Let's be clear, this isn't about flooding the internet with cheap, spammy content. The real opportunity lies in using AI as a force multiplier, helping you produce more, faster, and at a higher quality. The goal is to build a business that's both scalable and profitable, not just to churn out words. Throughout this video, you'll discover practical strategies to turn AI-assisted content into real cash flow and how to stand out in a crowded digital world. Here's what's coming up. We'll break down the 3 main monetization paths for AI content creators, reveal the best tools for each approach, and discuss the crucial human element that separates successful creators from the rest. Whether you're a freelancer, an aspiring content mogul, or a creative entrepreneur, there's a path here for you. Let's talk mindset. AI isn't here to replace content creators. Instead, a content creator who uses AI will outpace one who doesn't. Your role is evolving from just a writer or designer to a content editor, strategist, and prompt engineer. Embracing this shift is the first step to unlocking AI's true potential in your workflow. Success comes from combining your expertise with AI's speed and efficiency. Human plus AI is always greater than AI alone. You need to fact-check, refine the tone, and inject your personal insights. This is what makes your content valuable and trustworthy, setting you apart from generic AI-generated material. There are 3 primary ways to turn AI-assisted content into cash flow. Each path offers unique opportunities, whether you want to work with clients, build your own content empire, or create and sell digital products. Let's dive into each pillar and see how you can start making money today. The fastest way to monetize AI content is by offering AI-enhanced freelance services. By using AI, you can dramatically increase both your output and quality, allowing you to take on more clients or charge premium rates for your speed and efficiency. Let's look at the high-demand services you can offer right now. Copywriting is in high demand. With AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude, you can quickly generate sales, emails, landing page, copy, and long-form blog posts. Use AI for outlines, research, and first drafts, then polish the content with tools like Grammarly or Pro Writing Aid. This approach lets you deliver more value to clients in less time. Social media management is another lucrative niche. With tools like Copy.ai, Owlywriter AI, and Canva's Magic Studio, you can generate a month's worth of content, including captions, image ideas, and hashtags in a single session. This efficiency allows you to serve more clients or focus on growing your own brand. SEO optimization is crucial for online visibility. AI tools like Surfer SEO, Neuron Writer, and Ahrefs or SEMrush's AI features help you analyze competitors, identify high-ranking keywords, and structure content for maximum search engine results. This makes your services even more valuable to clients looking to boost their online presence. Ready to offer your services? Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn are great places to find clients. You can also reach out directly to small businesses that need help with content. With your AI-enhanced workflow, you'll stand out by delivering quality and speed. If you want to build something scalable, consider creating your own content empire. Use AI to produce a high volume of quality content for your own blogs, YouTube channels, or social media. Monetize the traffic through affiliate marketing, advertising, or selling digital products. This approach lets you build long-term, passive income streams. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to monetize content. Create niche review blogs or dedicated YouTube channels where AI generates the bulk of the review structure and key points. You add your expert opinion and affiliate links. This combination of AI efficiency and human expertise can drive significant commissions. Another monetization strategy is advertising. Produce high-volume, long-form informational content like how-to guides or detailed explanations on a specific niche. AI helps you generate content quickly, but your editing ensures it meets the quality standards needed for high ad revenue from platforms like Google AdSense or Mediavine. AI can help you quickly create digital products like ebooks, guides, checklists, or even online course scripts. You can also generate stock images or art to sell on marketplaces like Adobe Stock or Etsy. Just make sure to check licensing rules for commercial use. This is a great way to turn your expertise into products that sell while you sleep. To maximize your reach, focus on scalable content types, blog posts, YouTube scripts, newsletters, and informational social media posts. AI can help you generate ideas and drafts, but your editing and expertise will make the content stand out and attract a loyal audience. The third path is to create and sell AI-generated products and assets. This is the creative route, using AI tools to generate unique art, graphics, videos, or even custom bots. These digital assets can be sold directly or used to power your own automated content channels. AI art is booming. With tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Leonardo.ai, you can generate unique images for logos, t-shirt designs, book covers, or digital wallpaper packs. These assets are in high demand for print-on-demand businesses and digital marketplaces. Video is more accessible than ever with AI. Tools like Synthesia, HeyGen, Lumen 5, and Pictory let you create video clips, unique background footage, or even full videos with AI avatars and voices. You can sell these as stock footage, or use them to build automated, faceless YouTube channels that earn ad revenue. If you have some technical skills, you can create and sell custom AI workflows like chatbots for business websites or specialized content generation models. These can be sold on platforms or directly to private clients, opening up new revenue streams for tech-savvy creators. Let's talk about your toolkit. For text generation, use ChatGPT, Claude, or Jasper to create outlines, first drafts, and short-form copy. For video, tools like InVideo AI, Lumen 5, Synthesia, and Descript turn scripts into videos or edit video by editing text. For images, try Midjourney, DALL-E, or Canva Magic Studio. These tools are the backbone of efficient AI content creation. To ensure your content ranks highly on Google, use SEO tools like Surfer SEO, Ahrefs, and SEMrush. These platforms help you structure AI-generated content for maximum visibility and traffic, which is essential for monetization through ads or affiliate links. For natural-sounding narration in videos or podcasts, use AI voice tools like 11 Labs and Murph. These platforms generate high-quality audio that can elevate your content and make it more engaging for your audience. Never publish 100% raw AI content. While AI is powerful, its output often lacks a unique voice, can make factual mistakes, and may even violate platform rules. Your job is to ensure every piece of content is accurate, original, and valuable to your audience. Here's the editing formula for high-quality AI content. First, provide an excellent detailed prompt. Next, let the AI generate the draft. Then, fact-check every claim, number, and date. Inject your expertise by adding personal stories, insights, and strong opinions. Finally, optimize for SEO, readability, and platform guidelines. This process ensures your content stands out and delivers real value. Always check the terms of service for any platform you're monetizing on. For example, YouTube has specific policies on synthetic content. Staying compliant not only protects your business, but also builds trust with your audience and partners. Making money with AI content is all about combining speed with smart strategy. Use AI to handle the heavy lifting of drafting and ideation, but focus your energy on niche selection and adding human-level polish. This is what truly drives profits and long-term success. Now it's your turn. Which of these 3 pillars will you start with? Freelancing, building your own content empire, or creating AI products? Each path offers unique opportunities, so choose the one that fits your skills and goals best. To help you get started, check out the resources linked below. These include tool guides, templates, and more. Remember, the key is to take action and start experimenting with AI content creation today. The sooner you start, the faster you'll see results. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and explore the additional resources provided. Remember, AI is your ally. Combine its power with your unique perspective, and you'll unlock new levels of success in content creation.